Hi all, I just want to give you some quick instruction on how to export your video. So you'll have your video put together here in the timeline. The very first thing you want to make sure you have at the start of the video is the transition on the front of it. So we can fade it in just by applying the default transition, which I have set at a cross dissolve. Right now it's a second. Sometimes you might like to do a half a second or 15 frames. Again, you can change that by double clicking it. That will fade the video up. I'm going to go about a second before the video and hit the letter I to set an end point. Also, you can hit this thing right here to mark it in. Now I'm going to skip down to the end of the video, and you see there's no transition here, so I'm going to control click, apply default transition. And this one I want to make it a little longer so it fades out with the audio, and I'm going to make this 3 seconds long, 300, or 90 frames, which will accomplish the same thing. Then I'm going to go about a second after the video and hit an O. Now I'm going to go up to File, Export Media. Now what I want to make sure I do is tell the media where to go. So the output name is going to be Stand with Bennett. And then I'm going to set a location. I want it to actually go back into my folder, which is located in here. So I'm going to hit save, and that's going to rename it, and it's going to send it where I want it to go. Now, the format you want it to be in, you have a lot of options, but the format you want it to be in is H.264. This will save it as an MP4 file, which is good for loading up to YouTube. And you can just leave this to go match source, high bitrate. In this case, it's defaulting to that anyway. And the last step, I'm going to hit export. Now all I have to do is just wait for my video to cook, and then it will be ready for me to take, store on a drive, airdrop it to another computer or phone, or upload it straight to YouTube or Dropbox. Please let me know if you have any questions. I can be reached at tlipscomb@bennett.edu, 336-517-2304.